What's up and welcome to Under 10 Fitness. Today we're going to do a strength workout targeting the legs. Now this workout's also going to get your heart rate up, so it might count as a cardio workout. But the target here is the legs. So we're going to do a couple different moves. We're going to do some squats, just your standard everyday squat here. From here we're going to power up. You can do a little jump if you want, or you can just come up onto your toes. Then we're going to do a pistol squat negative. Now, pistol squats are really challenging. It might take you a lifetime to perfect that move, but the negative portion is a lot easier. All right, so you're just going to stand up, stick one leg out perpendicular to your body. You want your weight to be over your foot, and then you're just going to go down and control the movement. Then from there, you're going to repeat those back and forth. We'll throw in some shin boxes. We'll do those for 9 rounds. We'll take a little rest in between. We're going to really target the legs here. Again, my name is Drew Smith. These workouts are targeted at people who want to get in a really good workout in a short amount of time. That's why Under 10 Fitness is here. So first things first, let's go ahead and just get into a deep squat. So the first thing I'm going to do here, rock side to side. Got about 15 seconds here, and then we're going to start with the squat thrusters. You can also do squat jumps if you're into that. We'll do 5 of those, and then move from there. So here we go. Let's go ahead and do 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. All right, now let's start with the pistol squat negative here. Right leg first, down we go. Very good. Up and at 'em. Left foot, here we go. Very good. Now, switching sides here. Again, try to control it. We go slow. And you'll fall into it, just like that. That's okay. 5 more thrusters here. 3, 4, 5. All right. Now get on the ground here. Feet out in front of you. And drop those knees. Okay? We're just going to loosen up the hips a little bit. How'd that feel? At this point, your legs might be burning already. It gets easier. Loosening up the hips here. Let's go ahead and get ready for round number 2. All right, here we go. Start with 5 thrusters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, pistol squat negatives. Right foot first. Nice and slow. All right. Left side here. Pay attention to your surroundings here. Don't want to bash into anything. Right foot again. Very good. And left foot here. And 5 thrusters. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Stretch out the legs here. This time, stick your legs out straight in front of you. Roll your ankles. Some ankle circles here. Stop. Go the other way. 3 to 5 reps here. What we're doing is we're building in some mobility into our workout. Now if you can, go ahead and open up your legs more, okay? And then when you breathe out, you want to create some flexion in the spine. And then breathe in. Create some extension in the spine and bring your chest up here, okay? Now let's do that in this position, okay? Arms out in front of you. Breathe out, create some flexion. Okay? Breathe in, create extension. All right, knees back up, fall to the side. Use that shin box to get up here. And 5 thrusters. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, pistol squat negatives. Let's go left foot first, or right foot first. And up we go. And left foot here. Now let's try something fancy here. Let's rock up. Let's roll up. There you go. Give that a try. Switching to the right foot. Rolling up. And left foot. Negative down. All right. Here we go with thrusters. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Back down to our first move here. Knees fall over to the side. And repeat. Now, if you can, try to take your arms off the ground if you're supporting yourself. Arms up here. You're going to do that shin box. See if you can't bring your legs around you without falling over and losing your balance. Okay? This can be a good test of mobility. Are you mobile enough to do this? It's very good. All right, feels really good on the hips. Let's do one more on each side. So there. Last one here. And back up for thrusters. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, pistol squat negatives. Foot out in front of you. Nice and slow. Back down here. Real. Ooh, there we go. Test your balance. Which side is your weak side? I'm a little weaker on my left side here. Nice and slow here. Very good. And left side. There we go. All right. 5 thrusters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not fancy on that last one. All right, remember, feet straight out in front of you. Extension in the spine. Do 3 to 5 circles here. Pick a direction, doesn't matter. Stop. Go the opposite direction. There we go. All right. Legs open a little wider. Create a V. And again, flexion in the spine. Extension. All right. Put your hands behind you. This is a nice shoulder stretch and pec stretch as well. Flexion, extension. Now, hands on our legs. Again, flexion. Extension. Let's do one more here. And extension. Very good. Thrusters, here we come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pistol squat negatives. Very nice. Roll up. Picking up the pace here. Right foot. Then let's go to the left foot. And very nice. And thrusters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Down on the ground. Let's go straight for it this time. Shin box position. Hands up over your head, behind your head, however you want to put them. And knees over. Creating the shin box. Now with this, in a perfect world, you want your feet to stay where they are. You don't want them sliding back and forth as you're doing this. All right? This is about mobility in the hip area. And if you're moving your feet, you're not creating that mobility. But you got to start somewhere. There we go. Let's bring it around here. All right. How do you feel about doing 2 rounds without any mobility in between? You want to do that? So we'll do 5 thrusters, pistol squats, 5 thrusters, and we'll jump right back into the next round. Let's go ahead and do that here. Get ready for this, and this is going to be it. This is going to put the bow on it here. Let's go ahead. 5 thrusters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pistol squats. Right foot down and up. Left foot. Hello. And up. Right foot. Very nice. Left foot. And thrusters. 5 of these. Actually, we'll just do 10 in a row. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, right leg, pistol squat. And down we go. Left leg. Catch your balance. Again, progress, not perfection. Lose your balance, it's okay. Just catch yourself there. And left foot, then thrusters. Yeah, thrusters, 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. All right. I'll finish up here. Ankle circles. And that's it. Nice little leg workout there. Got my heart rate up. Got a little sweat going. Keep practicing those pistol squats. You get better over time. All right. Legs out, remember? Arms behind if you want. Breathe in. Create extension. Shoulders back. Get a nice stretch in your shoulders and your forearms. And then breathe out. Sink everything in. All right, let's breathe in. There we go. Grab our ankles here. Here we go. Hey, that'll do it. Thank you very much for joining me here. Get a common question. Is 10 minutes enough? It is enough. Enough for what? Well, you can build strength. You can get some cardiovascular exercise. You can also lose weight. All of these things, 3 things can be achieved. But the biggest thing to number 3, losing weight, exercise isn't king when it comes to losing weight. Have to remind clients, friends, family all the time. You lose weight in the kitchen, all right? We come to the gym to raise our heart rate. We do 10-minute exercises to do something good for our body, to develop strength. I love these because I'm a father, I'm a husband, and I own a small business, so I'm busy. But it's easy enough to dedicate 10 minutes of exercise to myself. So thank you very much again for joining me. Find more workouts like this, plus our swag diet at under10fitness.com. And as always, remember, stay motivated.